Here I've got Vernee Thor Plus, and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at first open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, then scroll down a bit and go to the battery. It's here. Now you can simply activate battery saving mode by tapping on battery saver, and now just tap on this switcher to activate power saving mode. If you would like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time, and that's it. Now you're back in standard mode. If you would like to set some rules, so if you would like to turn it on automatically, click on turn on automatically, and now you can select one from the following options. So once your battery is lower than 5 or 15%, this mode will be automatically activated. So let me pick at 5% battery. Now you can go back, and you can also have a quick access to the battery saving mode by sliding down the upper bar and then keep tapping on battery icon, and now you are in exactly same menu. We have also ultra power saving mode. It's for some truly extreme situations, so slide down the upper bar twice and then click on ultra power saving mode here. Wait a couple of seconds and this is it. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, it has a dark mode, and also only few apps, actually 3 of them, are allowed in this mode. If you would like to switch it off, you have to tap over here and select OK, that you would like to turn off ultra power saving mode. And that's it. Now we are back in the standard one, in the standard mode. So that would be all. Now you can protect your battery, you can enable low power solution whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.